Boils can be treated easily with simple home remedies like garlic. Before we look into the best ways to use garlic for boils, let's first understand the boil formation and its healing cycle. Boils or skin abscesses, also known as furuncles, are red, hard and painful nodules. They are caused by bacterial infection in the hair follicles deep inside the skin. Boils are not contagious, but the pus inside the boils is contagious. So, never pick or squeeze a boil. A boil finally comes to a head which ruptures before healing. Garlic also draws out pus faster from boils, which helps in quicker relief. A powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory sulfur compound called allicin heals the skin by killing bacteria. It also relieves pain and inflammations. And the best part is, it helps bring back the original skin condition without leaving any scars after the boil is gone. You can use garlic both orally and topically to get rid of boils. 1. Garlic poultice for boils. Garlic poultice is one of the fastest ways to effectively get rid of boils. Slice a clove of garlic vertically from the middle. Apply one of the cut garlic clove slices facing the inner side on the boil after gently cleaning the area with warm water. Secure it with a bandage to ensure that the garlic clove stays in place. Leave it for 1 to 2 hours before removing it. Do it 2 to 3 times daily. Continue to do it until the boil comes to the head and the pus drains. You can also use garlic paste or garlic onion mix paste in the same manner, as onion is also good for boils. Always conduct a patch test on skin before using it on boil. Some skins are allergic to garlic. 2. Eat garlic for boils. Make a paste from a couple of garlic cloves. Spread the garlic paste on a thin bread. Eat it by chewing slowly. Do it 2 to 3 times daily. Too much garlic can cause bad breath, diarrhea and heartburn, so be careful. Don't eat garlic if you are taking blood thinners or some other medicines, as it interferes with certain medicines. Consult your doctor if garlic or any other home remedy fails to treat your boil. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.